Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page been a blessing to you, check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is transformation, confirmation. You're changing, you're uplifting, you're changing on the inside, therefore your outside is changing. Are you ready to level up? Are you ready to be that superstar? Because you are. You put in that work. You know that you're made of that good stuff. You know you're made of great gifts that the world not only love but will cherish. So continue to transform, continue to change, continue to morph into your highest level, to your highest evolution. I'm constantly evolving. And I improve inwardly by working on my weaknesses and refining my strength. Therefore, you're an all-powerful being, Scorpio. Life ensures that I'm presented with situations that help me learn and grow. Therefore, I become stronger, wiser, and I can maintain and channel in bigger blessings. I am aware of my progress and I open my wings to light. Therefore, I'm willing to transform, and I can't wait to see the greater version of myself. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.